Hey, what's going on, guys? Before we begin this short tutorial, I just want to ask you guys to please like my last video, or review and like my last video, and if you guys could please subscribe to me. I have a new YouTube channel and I'm gonna do tutorials and all kinds of videos, to be honest. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Carlos Garcia and I'm here to show you guys help you guys fix an issue I had with voicemeeter. So the first, I'm gonna leave a download link in the description. It's free, just to get your settings how I have mine here. So in order to import them, all you do is go to menu, load settings, and then you find the voicemeeter pro, what I left in the description. So that's all free, don't worry, guys. So once you're here, you're gonna select your microphone, which is, I have the Yeti, so this works best on the Yeti, to be honest. So you put WDM and then the microphone, which is the Yeti, on the first one. And then on A1 here, there's another tutorial that told me to use a WDM as well, but that's gonna cause like a lot of choppy, like cutting out and like while you're live streaming and stuff. So don't use any of these WDMs or the KS. You got to use a MME cable input WB audio virtual cable. If you guys don't know how to download this voicemeeter and the virtual cable, I'll leave links in the description as well. So yeah, this is the fix right here. Like, all you have to do is select here. All the other tutorials will tell you to select one of these, but do not do that. Select this one here. Trust me, guys, you guys will thank me later. So thanks for watching, guys. It was just a quick little tip for you guys that are struggling with this when you guys are trying to stream. So hope you guys have a good time streaming, guys. See y'all later.